going to show you how easy it is to make these adorable little wooden earrings. This Peruvian raw wood, it's so pretty. We're using Resin Rocker's original formula, and we're just going to do glitter in these. This is Precious Treasures glitter. This is a really good one. Very shimmery, a lot of color combination, a little bit of brown in there. We're going to go ahead and mix it together, put it in. We're going to add a little heat to get rid of bubbles. We're going to cure at 36 watts for 60 seconds, and we're going to do that on each side. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and take the tape off the back. You want to make sure they're completely cooled off before you do this step. Then you're going to add a top coat and spread it around. And the most important part here is to make sure you let your earrings rest for at least 5 minutes before you put them under the lamp to ensure that there are no bubbles. We're going to cure that very slowly, starting at 6 watts, working our way up in 10-second increments up until you get to 36 watts, and then finish out the cure at 36 watts for 60 seconds. Add your pinch clip earring hooks, and here is the finished result. They are absolutely beautiful.